So think of all the different ways that you can help eliminate the need to look at multiple systems to answer questions that customers have. We've looked at lots of these in the past. How much does this product cost? When am I going to get my order delivered? We haven't talked about invoicing. Maybe that's one way you can improve the customer relationship, by having some of those answers available. Or if you think about commerce, which we've talked about before, making some of that detail visible to customers. You know, at least seeing that invoices have been submitted to clients for them to pay. For you to know what's outstanding. Now, some companies might just want to see the total receivables balances, but maybe you want to get individual transactions. Know when customers have paid their bills. You know they're going to have questions about that, and today you're going to have to pick up the phone and call somebody else to get the answers. Well, now, with Salesforce, given that it's a platform, use that as another reason to close the gap, improve the relationship. You can do that with Salesforce. Invoicing is a great way, and here's just a simple example. Off of an order, an invoice goes out, and then the payments come in, and we can track that. Credit notes, debit notes, you can take it even further than that. Salesforce is a platform, so it gives you lots of flexibility. Think about that, and come on May 26th to our webinar that we're giving. We're going to talk about invoicing as one small part of a much larger theme around manufacturing. We hope to see you there.